wanna be all by myself
song, girl. And I am, what's that? I am becoming the best version of myself. That's so true, you know?
One of the most difficult songs.
Difficult song.
Oo.
Tapos may props ka pang ganito eh.
Correct.
Oh, di ba?
Hindi ko nga pinakanta yung kanta.
And I was looking at the judges, especially Lady Bam and Neil. Their faces like, mga ganun sila, parang naiirig. They're holding their breath as well. So let's see what our judge say something about the performance.
Hi, Christine.
Hello.
I learned you're 11 years old.
Yes, Mommy.
For an 11-year-old girl, palakpakan niyo naman, that was spectacular. You convinced me that you've been through a heartache. That song is so big for an 11-year-old girl, but you nailed it. You have the beauty, you're amiable, you have the voice. So I think the sparkle, the star magic will look for you in the nearest future. So good luck in your career and God bless.
Star Magic. Oh, naiiyak siya, Lady Bam. And we would like to thank personally your dad and your mom. Where's your mom and dad? Where are you? Yeah, naiiyakin si Mommy. Daddy, oh.
Proud parents. O, diba?
Bunga ng inyong pagmamahal. Look at the talent you have here. Good luck, Christine. Don't cry.
Thank you so
Happy
much.
Tears.